This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the order of your controllers on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you want your Pro controller to be like number 1, or maybe your Joy-Cons to be number 2 and 3, something like that. So on your Nintendo Switch home screen we want to go to where it says controllers and select it. Then we can see the connected controllers in the bottom left. And in the upper right we can see change grip order. So let's select this. Now, go to the controller you want as number 1 and press that first. So I have just these little Joy-Cons. I'm going to hold down the sync button now. And the lights are going to blink. Find the sync button on your Pro controller. It should be by the charging area. Then I'm going to press these two buttons down at the same time. So the orange controller is now number 1. And let's go to the blue controller now. So since it's in the player number 2 slot, let's go ahead and go to the sync button, hold this down, then press the two buttons on the top here, and that is now connected as player number 2. Then we can press this button right here, and we're connected. So you can see I changed the order of those before. Then we can go to close. So just connect them in order as you pair them, and you should be good to go. Then you can go to your game, start playing, and your controller should be the way you set it up. And then in some of the games you might have to press like the two buttons right here together, or this button to go ahead and pair them as additional players. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.